Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for joining me for another math session. So this is the part 4 of the topic constructions. So let us see this first question here over here, that choose the correct option. A circle of given radius can be drawn using how will you draw this circle? With the help of a pair of compass. This is the correct option. If two straight lines are perpendicular to each other, then the angle formed between this. So now see, if we are taking this two straight line, so angle formed between this will be 90 degree. What is the shape of a protector? So you know this is a protector. So the shape is semicircular. You know this is whenever this is a circle, half of it will be a semicircle. Each division on the scale of protector represents, that is, 1 degree. Suppose AB is 12 centimeter and we have constructed its perpendicular bisector intersecting AB at point C, then length of AC is. So now this is 12 centimeter. So we have constructed perpendicular. So there will be somewhere AC here, this is AB. So this AC is going to be the half of AB, that is 6 centimeter. Now let us see the construction. Construct a line segment of length 5 centimeter and bisect it. First, what are we going to do? We are going to draw a line, that is, let us take as AB, that will be 5 centimeter. Then we will take this A as the center. I take with the help of a compass, draw an arc over here and the upper and the lower side and the arc over here. Then you will take this B as the center and again you will draw an arc over here and then second arc over here. And then you will join this. See that whenever you join, you just take the point over here and draw a straight line. And you can mark anything over here. I just mark here at P and Q. So these are the steps. How you did it. Just go to the steps. So that's it. So join PQ. Draw a line segment AB such that measure of AB is equal to the sum of PQ and RS. So this will be this whenever we the sum of PQ and RS means 5 plus 2.3 centimeter. So first thing what are you going to do? Draw a ray. You know the ray. One point will be fixed and the other is going to, there will be an arrow over here. So this is called an array. So you will draw the ray AC and which is longer than the combined lengths of PQ. So it will be longer than this 7.3 centimeter. So using compasses, measure PQ and draw an arc N on the ray. So first thing you will this with the 5 centimeter you will take with the help of the compass, and from starting from A you are going to draw this one 5 centimeter over here and draw the ray, this arc over here N, such that AN is, this will be 5 centimeter. Again using compasses, measure RS. You are going to measure RS with the help of this one, such that NO is equal to RS in the direction of N. So see here, this is NO. This will be 2.3. So now what are we going to do? Length of AB is equal to the sum of lengths of PQ. So from this one we can say that length of AB is equal to the sum of length PQ and RS. So AB is the required line segment. So by this way we have completed this construction. So please do like and subscribe to this channel so you get a notification of the other parts and many more. Thank you.